let's say you need to take a screenshot and you don't know how to. Well, I recommend using the snipping tool. And to get the snipping tool, you're going to click your search bar down here in the bottom left and type in snipping tool. And the app should pop up here. Click that. Now to take a snip, all you have to do is select your new option and then click and hold, and you could drag across the screen. In this case, I want a snip of my scatter plot. When I have everything in the frame, I'm going to release my button and it's got the snip. So you could do a couple things. You could keep it copied and it's already copied onto the clipboard, or you could just click copy, clip it to the clipboard. Or you could also do save and then save your image somewhere to your desktop or anywhere on your computer. Okay, but in this case, I just want to copy it into a Word document, so I click copy. It's on my clipboard. I pull up my Word document, right-click, paste it, and there it is. A lot of times I like to click this option and change the text wrapping option to be the bottom right-hand corner one, and that allows me then to move it anywhere on the Word document and it won't mess up my text. What I recommend doing so that you have this snipping tool in the future and you don't have to even use the search box is to right click it down here and select pin to taskbar if you have that option. When you left click that, then once you close out of it and you don't need it anymore, it'll stay on your taskbar. But if you cannot do that, you're just going to have to go down to the search bar and search for it whenever you need it.